How to check Wi-Fi? So first check if this antenna button is switch on. Make sure to switch it on, or you can press combination of keys like function button, F2, or check fly mode. If this is okay, move to the next step. So first of all, click on start menu, type here in search control panel. Just click on it. Here are control panel. Click on let's show large icons. Click on internet options. Yes, and then in a new window, click on connections and click on LAN settings. Here you should check if this option is selected. So let's confirm. Close all windows, advanced, and restore advanced settings. Click on apply, okay, and close the window. Okay, so next step what you can try, so click on start button, type here services and click on it. So click on services and scroll down, so you see page, scroll down it, and here you need to select VLAN auto config. So right click, properties, and here startup type you should select, click on it and select automatic. After that you should click on apply and click on start service. Click on start. Okay, so it's running and click on OK. If it not help, click on start menu again, and here in search type following command: view network connections, and click on it. So here we can see network connections. So here is your wireless network connections. Click on it and right click, and you should try to enable it. So click on enable. In my case, as you can see, Wi-Fi connected and everything is okay. Okay, next what you can try is click on start menu, type here CMD, right click and select run as administrator. So click on it, and here you need to enter a few commands, and this will help you to activate your Wi-Fi. So first command is, you can see that on the screen, please type command in CMD and press enter. Okay, after that type next command. You can see everything on the screen, so simply type it and press enter. Okay, so next we should enter one more command in CMD. Here you can see next command ipconfig/flash DNS. Please type that and click on enter. So click on enter, and here we are. So okay, so next method, if it doesn't work, click on start menu, type here device manager and click on it. So click on device manager. Here you can see network adapters, so expand it, select your Wi-Fi, right click, click on update driver software and select browse my computer for driver software. Let me pick up from the list the device drivers on my computer, so click on it. Here select network adapter, select it, click on next and close. So next what we can do, we can simply delete it and reinstall it. So click on properties, right click properties, power management. Here we can click untick this. So so let's untick and if this not help, we can click on right click and uninstall it, yeah, and click on OK, yeah. So this will completely delete your Wi-Fi driver and it will be reinstalled after you reboot computer. Okay, next what we can do is click on Start menu and type here View Network Connections and simply click on it. So it will open new window, as you can see. Yeah. Right click on wireless network connection and click on Disable it. Then right click again and click on Enable it. And these simple actions should help you to activate your Wi-Fi. Okay, last what you can try to do is click on Start menu and type here Control Panel. Click on it. So you open Control Panel. Here you need to select Network and Internet. So click on it. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Here is your wireless network connections. Click on it. Click on Properties. Here you need to select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. And you need to obtain an IP address automatically if you have manual settings. So click on it and you need to obtain DNS server's address automatically as well. So click and confirm. Okay. Close all your windows and this should help you to fix your Wi-Fi. Okay guys, hope you like the video. Please like, subscribe. Have a nice day.